Failure to secure an AEP. Section 15 of DO 146-15 provides that a fine of 10,000 pesos for every year or a fraction thereof shall be imposed on foreign nationals found working without a valid AEP. In this case, Mr. Baldwin was employed by Ateneo from 01 December 2015 to 28 September 2016. Thus, for engaging work with Ateneo without a valid AEP for at least 9 full months, he is liable to pay 10,000 pesos. For failure to secure a certificate of exemption, Section 1C, in relation to Section 2, Rule 7 of DO 248-2025, provides that any deliberate or willful disregard or non-compliance with the provision of said rules shall be meted with a penalty of fine and maximum amount of 10,000 pesos for every prohibited act. The unauthorized employment of a foreign national without a required AEP constitute a continuing state of non-compliance with the rules. Accordingly, each day that foreign national renders services without the required AEP constitute a separate prohibited act for which corresponding administrative fine may be imposed. Applying the maximum administrative fine of 10,000 for each prohibited act or separate violation spanning for 490 days, the total administrative fine is computed as follows. 490 days times 10,000 pesos per day would equal to 4,900,000 pesos. Accordingly, Mr. Baldwin is liable for an administrative fine in the total amount of 4,900,000 pesos for his failure to secure the required certificate of exemption for the period from 10 February 2025 until his resignation on 15 June 2026. As to Ateneo de Manila, its administrative liability is as follows. Failure to secure an AEP. Section 15 of DO 146-15 provides that employers found employing foreign nationals with a valid AEP shall pay a fine of 10,000 pesos for every year or infraction thereof. Hence, for employing Mr. Baldwin from 01 December 2015 to 28 September 2016 without a valid AEP for a period of at least a full 9 months, Ateneo de Manila is liable to pay 10,000 pesos. For failure to secure a certificate of exemption with respect to the violation 248-25, this office holds Ateneo de Manila jointly and solely liable with Mr. Baldwin for the administrative fine in total amount of 4,900,000 pesos arising for the failure of the latter to secure the required certificate of exemption. Wherefore, premises considered, this office hereby finds Mr. Thomas Anthony Tab Baldwin in Ateneo de Manila University to be administratively liable for separate violations of Article 40 of the Labor Code as amended and renumbered, and its implementing rules and regulation. Accordingly, for failure to secure an alien employment permit under Department Order 146-15, Mr. Anthony Tab Baldwin is ordered to pay an administrative fine of 10,000 pesos, and Ateneo de Manila is ordered to pay an administrative fine of 10,000 pesos. For failure to secure a certificate of exemption under Department Order Number 248, Series of 2025, Mr. Thomas Anthony Tab Baldwin and Ateneo de Manila are jointly and solidarily liable to pay an administrative fine in the total amount of 4,900,000 pesos. Finally, without prejudice to civil, administrative, or criminal complaints pending before other investigative agencies or the courts of law against Mr. Baldwin, this matter is hereby referred to the Bureau of Immigration and Deportation for summary deportation proceedings. So ordered, Manila, Philippines, 11 August 2026, signed, Francis M. Tolentino, Secretary.
Reaction po regarding po dun sa naging decision.
Coach, stop.
What's your reaction, Coach?
Stop. Coach. we play